This is your territory. See, but that's the thing about horses, you don't all wear the same size shoes.
Yeah.
Not all of us have the same damn shoe on right here.
Mm-hmm.
Same way with horses.
Yeah.
Dog, different in the mouth.
Very.
Like Ivy's different good one that she has. I know that.
Uh-huh.
It's had some more. No So Heidi, how's that trip been working for you?
Oh, great. Made all the difference.
Tripping like crazy. We don't go by the river. Oh, Lord. You want me to get in behind in the back? Well, your horse is not going to go take a turn and go jumping in the river.
I know.
I
Bob,
trust you.
right?
I guarantee you.
Stop
His
it.
name is Bob?
Who? His name?
Yeah.
Benji.
Benji, okay.
And he knows his name, so.
Yeah, he knows.
You know, he really does.
His ears told him like,
Yeah. It's Benjamin, but I call him Benji.
When you guys going to pick the petted eggs you're riding, huh? Not hot, not cold. You know what that means.
I'm going to let you get in front as soon as I get up to the place where you can pass me.
Is Cowboy making ugly?
No. Dazzle keeps biting.
Oh,
You still back there, Miss Teddy? You okay?
I'm doing fine. Yeah.
Recording on every move?
We got to put Teddy in the front because Cowboy is a faster mover. Both of Heidi's horses are slow. What?
What I like to do is what you don't like to do. Whatever you're scared of, that's what I want to hear.
That's why we all love Everson so much. He does what we don't want to do.
That's what
Right, wild horses. We're watching. Yeah.
Especially,
I'll watch him. I don't want my horse to watch him. So.
right, pit stop. Nope, I guess not.
False alarm.
I'm embarrassed.
Are you going to pee, Cowboy?
We're peeing.
We're being here.
That's all right. We'll catch up.
Hey, stop it.
This guy will flood the valley. When he goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. He's draining the whole reservoir.
All righty.
Thank you.